Friends, welcome back to Draw Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make transparent text effects in Davinci Resolve. So what you want to do, once you have your video on your timeline, guys, you want to go ahead and ensure that you add a second track. So as you can see, I have one video track here. I'm going to add a second track here so that I can have a video too, and then I'm going to click on effects on the upper left hand side, then go down to titles and simple drag a text onto the second track here. So as you can see, I have the text above, and from here you can go ahead and you can change the text on the upper right hand side. Ensure that you click on inspector, then you want to go ahead and change the text to whatever you want. So I'm going to simple type in writing as an example, and go ahead and change my font. So I can change my font family here. So I'm going to go ahead and change something, which is, let's go ahead and use this one, and I'm going to go ahead and change this font facing here. You can go ahead and you can change whatever option you want, so you can make the size of the text larger. Now once you finish setting all the changes for your text, which is the size, the font family, if you want to use front facing, whatever you want change here for your text, the next thing is to go over to the settings section, and here you want to go down to the section where you have composite mode, and go ahead and ensure that this is turned on. If it's off, go ahead and turn it on, and you want to switch this to difference.